who's the protege of Dejan Tesic, who's also the coach of SFL fighter Sanja Sucevic. And there's the opponent, the opposing corner, we have Vikas, who's a top boy from Delhi. He just loves to scrap. He's got some wrestling, and he says, I don't care whether Nikola has kickboxing or Muay Thai or whatever. I want to get in there, pick him up and slam him. Let's see if he can actually do that.
Well, let's do, and why predict when we have the future in 3, 2, 1, over to Ozone.
Please welcome to the Ozone, Nikola Janic!
Nikola Janic, making his way from Serbia, showing off his flag, proud of his country, make his way towards the Ozone here tonight for SFL 10. Here we go to the keys to victory.
He needs to use Muay Thai striking, avoid the judo throw, elbow knee and punish in the clinches.
Yes, Subed, he comes from a very strong Muay Thai background, but I spoke to some of his trainers. In fact, his trainer is Dejan Tesic, and he tells me that he's been working on an all-round game. Not only is his striking getting better and better, it comes from an MT background, he also has a good ground game, decent submission, so he isn't worried where this fight is going to go. If it goes to the ground, he is ready there. If he's standing up, that's where his true strength lies.
Well, he may just be 18, but he has been trained from the best. He also comes from Serbia, the land who gave us Sanja, and she went on to be a mentor on the SFL Challengers.
That's right.
So a lot of hope there.
A lot of hope there. So does Nikola have his hopes set for a victory here tonight as he makes his final preparations before he enters the Ozone cage. Quick lap. Cheer to the crowd.
Please welcome his opponent, Vikas Ruhel!
Vikas Ruhel making his way from Delhi to Mumbai here tonight for SFL 10.
With an apt nickname, Vicky. Delhi has a lot of Vickies.
A lot of Vickies indeed. But this guy has just one thing he wants to do now. But we talk about that after the keys to victory.
He needs to keep the fight standing, use judo in the clinches, and don't make the fight a brawl.
Even though he comes from quite a proficient background in judo, this guy, when I spoke to him, is very funny. He told me he didn't want to do one and one thing only. He wants to wrap his hands around his opponent and throw him to the ground as hard as he can.
Well, in this cage, it makes sense. Otherwise, it would have been a bit, let's just call it disrespectful for now.
Oh well, you know what?
Easy, whatever you want to call it.
If he wants to disrespect his opponent, he's got his chance here tonight. Coming from a more than proficient background in wrestling, says he's got 5 or 6 years of wrestling background. He's got a great chance to prove it here tonight.
Also, he trains with Pawan Man Singh, who has been victorious at SFL before. I mean, this one's a tough guy. He's got lots of guts. And tonight, he's fighting experience.
He's going to need every bit of that guts here tonight as he makes his way into the Ozone. Here we go to the tails game. Bout number 3 is in the heavyweight division. Nikola is from Serbia, Vikas, the Indian. The younger at 18 years of age, weighs in at 100 kilograms and has a slight height advantage. But both fighters make their debut here tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, his style Muay Thai, his weight 101.20 kilograms, representing Serbia, Nikola Janic! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, his style freestyle, his weight 93.6 kilograms, representing Delhi, Vikas Singh Ruhel! Please welcome the referee for the fight, Yuji Shimada.
The referee for this fight is Yuji Shimada.
Right? No combatants, no the growing attacks, okay? Clean fight, alright? Touch the ropes. Correct.
Heavyweight bout number 1 for the evening. Supreet, I cannot wait for this one. It's going to be crazy. Heavy hitters.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Ready? Go!
Round 1. Vikas in the red trunks, Nikola in the blue. Coming out. Oh, nice
quite a
heavy
shot.
leg kick. This is Nikola from the Muay Thai background. Vikas, the wrestler, is going to be shooting and looking for that takedown. He's got him pushed up against the cage. Oh! Lovely knee by Nikola. Ladies and gentlemen, don't blink. The heavies are fighting. Strong leg kick. Nice body punch by Vikas. Both taking their time, but the striking advantage definitely goes to Nikola. Comes from a Muay Thai background. Almost landed that right hook. Lunges in. Almost ate another knee. But this is where the reach and height advantage comes into play for Nikola.
Tried to take down again and got the knee.
Wow, just missed with that knee. That knee looks dangerous. He's got to be really careful about that knee.
Oh.
Nice kick to the body by Nikola. Sprawls beautifully.
Yeah,
Nice knee to the body
Body's okay.
by Nikola. He's got control of him in this position. He's looking to land some knees to the body. Swings around, looking for his back. Oh, just misses with another knee. Both fighters back to their feet. Nikola takes the center of the ozone. Lands another nice leg kick, left hook. I think he's got a nice combination there.
He still tried to go for a
Nikola is
takedown,
taking
couldn't
his
get it.
back, looking perhaps for a choke.
Yeah.
Vikas holding on
Oh, that's bad.
to his right hand,
That's the ear, okay.
landing some nice ground and pound.
Okay.
This is Nikola.
Give up!
He's got him in a rear naked choke.